Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at how much compensation you may be entitled to for injuries to the back if you've been involved in an accident which was due to the negligence of others. Now, if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. When looking at back injury compensation examples, you'll see that back injury compensation payouts can vary dramatically depending on the extent of the injury. But to give you an idea of how much may be claimed, let's first take a look at a back injury case study. A cyclist was on their way to work when they were hit by a car. The accident happened as the cyclist was using a roundabout, and the car entered the roundabout and hit the cyclist's back wheel. This resulted in the cyclist flying into the air and landing on the road, which resulted in a fracture to one of the lower vertebra of the cyclist's spine, as well as a bruised coccyx and cuts and grazes. Due to the cyclist being unable to return to their previous field of employment because of the injuries caused in the accident, an award of £126,000 was given. Now, we're shortly going to be taking a look at our back injury compensation amounts table, but I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts for your injuries alone and do not include any other sums which may form part of your compensation, like any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses related to your injury, which means that your compensation award may be larger.
So we have in front of us the table for back injury compensation claim amounts, and in the top three categories, these are all severe categories for different types of back injuries and different levels of severity. At the top one, you could expect to receive anything from £72,620 all the way up to £128,320. For the second category, you could expect to receive anything from £59,120 all the way up to £70,490. And then for the third category, you could expect to receive anything from £30,910 all the way up to £55,590. Then we have two moderate categories. For the first one, you could expect to receive anything from £22,130 all the way up to £30,910. Then for the second moderate category, you could expect to receive anything from £9,970 all the way up to £22,130. Then finally, we have three minor categories. You could expect to receive anything from £6,290 all the way up to £9,970 for the first minor category. Then you could expect to receive anything from £1,950 all the way up to £6,290 for the second minor category. And finally, the third minor category, you could expect to receive anything up to £1,950.
I'd like to once again emphasise that these figures are for your injuries only and do not include the compensation from any loss of income from time off work or any other expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the final compensation claim amount is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of just how much compensation you may be entitled to, we recommend you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or visit our round-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. If you've been injured following a workplace accident and would like to know back injury at work compensation amounts in the UK, we can use our workplace injury compensation calculator and our soft tissue injury compensation calculator to give you a good idea of just how much may be claimed. Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks.
Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free Friendly advice on no win, no fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.